Very good morning, guys. I have an iron box of Usha company. It's not working. I tried many times before, but I was not able to because I just checked the wire. The wire what got burned, so that reason I just changed the wire. This is just see it is a local management, local adjustment. It is what we say jugaru local jugaru. Just see that I make it the plug also. Just see the plug also how it is. I made it myself by open the previous one. So just see that this iron box, it was not working from last many years. So I just open everything. I just clean up all those. There was a lot of these things what Spyro nets also it was there inside. So I just open all those and I kept it cleaning all inside and everything, and wire I reconnected inside. Then what happened is, then I need to arrange for the wire. As I said, I made it a local jugaru for that. Just see that how's the connection policy. There are 3 points are there on that. This is the box, the top box, and this is the what we say as a heater. That there it will be written lots of the cloths name, right? According to the clothes, we can select by rotating that volumes kind of things. So this is what the company, what it is USA company, and it is ISI marked was there on that. And almost this is almost 10 years old. This is 10-year olds, but it was not working. So what it was is when I connected this, so it used to make the power fluctuation. It is to make the power fluctuation means complete the whole power will go off. Because why? Because there was the wire got cut inside, so that isn't the wire get connect get connected among inside. So that isn't what happened is when I connect, so complete the home wire, the fuse will go off. So this is what the region. So this heater was, so that was not at all working. So almost 7 or 8 years. So I have made the local Jugaru, and I made this wire along the 3 wire. I joined it together, and I made it along with it. You know, I just see that how this I made it all the 3 wires, remove the tops skin of the wire. Now I'll connect the 3 points. Just we need to be careful that the wire connection, because the middle wire will be just see that the middle wire connected. Just see the iron. I made it. I made it ready. I just connected all those wires, and just see that I will try platin, and I just try to use it once either it's working or not. Yes, so just see that I just made this on. Yeah, just now like the light comes up, right? You can just see that. So this is what, guys, so you don't need to worry if you have any irons problems or something like that where it is not working. It's very easy to repair that. So you just watch my video. By seeing this light, you will be able to make it yourself also, because nothing is there on iron, because there will be a plate will be there where it would make heat on that. This is the top cover of that. So I open it, I just close it up by putting it in again. So just there will be some plates, plate will be there where it gives us the heat. So that connections are also it's very easy. And guys, if you hasn't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. I will give more videos.